In this discussion, we are going to talk about the software application development. What is means of software application development? Set of programs that perform different tasks as per the business requirements. What is means of software application? It is an automated version of a manual work, or it is an automated solution for the real world problems. What is means of programming language? It is the language which is used to give set of instructions to a hardware or to a platform is called a programming language. For example, there is a Java, Python, C, C++, etc. Okay, let me just explain what the type of software applications. Software applications would be a web application, or it could be a mobile application, or it could be a desktop application. If we talk about web application, in that we have used already the Google browser and we know about it. This is the example for the web application, and this is what the non-standalone application. Non-standalone application. And what it means, let me explain. A standalone application is a software program that runs independently on a computing device without requiring any additional software to function. It's self-contained and does not rely on a web browser or another application to operate. Standalone applications are installed and executed directly on a user's systems. Okay, I'll discuss what is the standalone application in our next talk. But before that, let me explain. What is the mobile application? Like mobile application, we have seen in our phones, there is a games, and one application is a gallery application. These applications which we are using in our phone, that is a standalone application. And let me explain for the desktop application also. So there is a Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Word and so on. Just for example, I'm showing these two. These are the standalone application. Now, just before I have explained what is the standalone application. Now you know that what is the standalone application. In next talk, I'll discuss what is the standalone application in a proper manner. But before that, for now, I have explained all those. Now that's all for this talk. And okay, learn Java and be happy.